All right, we're given a chart here. Number 5, an object was launched upward from a platform. This graph shown models the height above ground, y. Height above ground is going up and down here. It is in meters of the object x seconds after it was launched. Okay, so our time in seconds is here. For which of the following intervals of time was the height of the object increasing for the entire interval? Go away, post-it. Okay. All right, so let's look at our graph here. Time in seconds at 0 seconds. Really doesn't like when I draw dots and it goes crazy. Stop it. There we go. Okay, so at 0 seconds, it was like around 8 meters off the ground. Dots. I can't handle dots. Of all the things you ask a whiteboard to do, you draw a dot and it's like, oh my God, I want to draw a dot. I digress. So, okay, so we're starting at 0 seconds. And then this object was launched upwards from the platform, which was about 8 meters high. And then at 1 second, it was up here at 24 meters. At 2 seconds, it was up here, up to like 28 meters. And then it starts coming back down. All right, so when was it increasing? Well, from 0 seconds to 2 seconds, it is increasing. And then after 2 seconds, it's going down. Now note the little keyword on this one is increasing for the entire interval, not part of the interval, not some of the time. So the intervals that they have given us here are from 0 to 2. You go, okay, well that looks like my answer from 0 to 2. That is when it's increasing that whole time. B is from 0 to 4. And that's where they're going to get some people, because in that interval, it is increasing, but then it's also decreasing. And they wanted to know the entire interval it's increasing. So 0 to 4 is out. Our next one that they give us, I always like to look at the other options, even when I think that we have our answer. It says from 2 to 3. Okay, so that would be right in there. Nope, that's decreasing there, 2 to 3. And then from 3 to 4, nope, it's also decreasing there. They absolutely could have given us an option from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 2, because in both those cases, it is increasing for that entire interval. But nope, the only one from the options that they've given us is from x equals 0 to x equals 2 is when it is increasing for that entire interval. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.